Welcome back, everybody. If you are new to the channel, I am Mike, this is Tom, and today we are in the middle of the ocean, taking a little bit of a break from Halloween. I know it is prime time to watch those Halloween videos, but it is my birthday, so here we are out in the vast Caribbean area. But we are still going to explore Halloween just a little bit because I want to show you what I got in the mail. I'm going to open it with you together. This was something that one of my subscribers, Melissa V. from Edgewater, Florida, sent me. And I think it is going to give us that little bit of Halloween spirit that we've been missing here in the Caribbean. So I opened it up. This is cool. Melissa has sent me this. It's a card game. It's called Pumpkin Patch Bad Seeds. It is called. So this is by Travis Drake and Tim Eller, and I've actually seen this online. I was actually thinking of purchasing it because it looked pretty neat, but I just never got around to doing it, so I was very excited. Thank you again, Melissa V, for sending me this, and let me go ahead and read the back of it to you real quick. It says, "Not all seeds are good, so be careful what you sow. In Pumpkin Patch Bad Seeds, players plant pumpkins to create a burgeoning pumpkin patch filled with grotesque, scary, and horrifically creepy pumpkins." That sounds awesome. I can't wait to open it. Let me go ahead and pull the camera in and we will take a closer look at this. I really like how portable and compact this box is, perfect for taking on a cruise vacation. As you can see on the side of the box, this game should take about 15 minutes to play for ages 14 up, and it has 1 to 3 player options, so it's really nice that if you are traveling solo, you can still play Pumpkin Patch Bad Seeds. As we open the box, I do like this little artwork on the side of the inside box where you can still see the pumpkin patch artwork. That's always fun. There is a rule book inside that explains how to play, and on the front inside cover here we do have the overview. It reads, "Welcome to the pumpkin patch, but watch your step. There are ghoulish gourds and spooky squashes at every turn. Their vines always creeping, their eyes always watching. In here every seed is a bad seed." So of course, obviously here we do have the instructions for the game and how to set it up and so forth. One thing I noticed is that you can watch a video on how to play the game. However, here on the cruise ship, I'm not able to do that. And unfortunately, some of the instructions here are a little bit vague. In fact, there are some scoring clarifications, for instance, telling you how certain cards score in the game, but it only does so up to like the first 5 point value cards, and above that, it doesn't give clarifications. So it's, the other thing is, like, there are some cards in here that I'm not even sure are supposed to be played, but it doesn't show whether or not that is the case in these instructions. So I'm sure in the video it might be a little bit easier to understand. However, I was left with a few questions. Inside we have some bags to put your cards in if you like. You have 3 tokens in the shape of pumpkins so that you can score. Back of the card here. But here is your scoring card. Now the scoring only goes up to 20. However, it certainly seems that you can score far higher than 20. So you can always just keep rewriting yourself, or you might want to just use a piece of paper to score. You also have some crow cards. In a 2-player game, each player will control one of these cards. This is the card we weren't sure if you're supposed to play in a 2-player game or not. It's a scarecrow card. Some of the point instructions that you can see here on the bottom of the card, again, a little hard to understand and vague. But basically, the gameplay is simple. You're going to take these seedling cards, lay it out as you do in the gameplay instructions. Make a little bit of room here. And then each further card, you are going to build up plots based on their number values in the side. So you have a couple of different 1-point value cards. And then the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is your Cinderella pumpkin, and once this card is played, the game is over. The rest of the cards are just various numbers of those individual values. So we've gone ahead and played a round of the Pumpkin Patch Bad Seeds game. It was pretty fun, kind of simplistic. It's very easy to understand, not overly complicated like some of those card and sort of independent games are, where there's so many things to keep track of. There's only 4 steps to each turn. Very easy to remember, very easy to score. Might have been a little overly simplistic in my opinion though. However, we did only play the one round, and we might not have strategized perhaps quite as much as we could have while we were learning the directions. But overall, I loved the artwork in the game. I thought, especially for a Halloween fanatic, you couldn't pass this up. So what did you think, Tom? Did you like it? Excellent. Thumbs up. Thumbs up from Tom, thumbs up from me too, and definitely a big thumbs up to Melissa V for sending this to me. Thank you very much. And thank all of you out there for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more Halloween videos, DIYs, store walkthroughs, and so forth. So, till next time, guys, take care, and happy haunting.